Bo got these for Christmas. Pioneer head unit for his truck. He wanted one like I had in the Blazer, but I couldn't find any, and they don't make them no more. So got this, and I got him some lights to put in his truck too. But here it is, almost a month after Christmas. We still ain't got it done yet because the kid's never home. Never home when I am. So maybe one day we'll get to putting these in. Still got to put a bumper on his truck too. He hit a deer. So we got work to do on his truck. Some added stuff. I'm officially announcing that I'm entering the Bass Wars. You got problems now, Doug. No more picking on the little man, EXO! You've had your van for what, 2 years? And you got like 6 pieces of wood and a cobbled up bumper on it? I mean, it took you what, 3 years to build the Thunder Chicken? And how long did it take you to build the stripper midget pool, whatever you called it? Yeah. I will completely rebuild mine, tearing it apart, putting it back together, completely brand new, before you get done with the bass van. Coming after you, Doug.
Ladies and gentlemen.
Brings me back again to find I'm not the man they think I am back home. Oh no, I'm a rocket man. Rocket man.
This episode is brought to you by Audiopipe, high-performance car audio products. Elite Autoworks. Contact Jason Predieri at Elite Autoworks for all your car audio aftermarket modifications and upgrades. Elite Autoworks is a proud authorized dealer of Audiopipe and Audiopipe accessories. Bassaholic Productions. Get your custom enclosure designed by Drew Jones. You will receive enclosure specifications, a full cut sheet along with 3D renderings. Bassaholic Productions, a name known for creating the loudest and best sounding enclosures available.
Let me walk you guys around the shop here, show you what I've gotten done since got the main edition done. I got a lot of stuff organized. I actually have a workbench now, which is nice. Got some shelving over here. Was able to put a lot of stuff on it, a lot of the bike stuff. Get it off underneath the bench and that sort of stuff. So that made a big difference. Open up some room in here. So I mean, yeah, I'm still stuffed in here with the bikes, but it's nasty out. Well, it's not nasty out today, but we've had lots of rain, and I usually set these outside when I'm working out here, but it's just sloppy out. But I still got some stuff to do. Yep, there's the Blazer. I got her all tucked away right now. Yep, that's a mattress on top of it, because I know it's going to need to be protected, because when Doug sees this video, he's going to start dropping bombs. But no, seriously, I got the wood up on this side, and man, it seriously warped a little bit. And it's probably because of all the rain we've had. It's either been 50 degrees and rain, or it's been below 20 and just absolutely cool. So I've still got to get electric out here. Put some shop lights up. But we've got all that. I'm just waiting, like I said, for the weather to get a little better so I can get the electric run underground from the box over here. I got a new junction box. And all the wire, that's all sitting over there. But it's a little more organized. And like I said, it's not a fancy Doug Bernard shop or something like EXO's got, or some of these other big names on the car audio thing, but it's enough for me. So what I'll do is when I work on the Blazer, I'll just open up the doors and pull it out some. I got plenty of room to walk around through here. But it's nice to have my bench again without a whole bunch of stuff thrown on top of it, and be able to do a little bit of work and everything. Here's the shop lights that I got for the other side where the Blazer is. Well, not this one. We'll tuck this one up underneath. You can see up underneath here. But these ones should be bright enough. There's a 2-pack of LEDs. Got them at Menards for a really good price. They're all on sale. Maybe you should check them out. Let's see if this one's going to work for the bench. Opening box. That should work. Doesn't have to be nothing fancy. So I've still got some work to get done. Going to get this sealed up somehow, whether I put soffit on it or put something from the inside. That way there's not so much, yeah, you can see quite a bit of gap. But anyways, we'll get these lights hung up. These were coming in a 2-pack, so there's two 3500 lumen lights. So we'll put 4 of these up across here. That should give me plenty of light when I get cranking on the Blazer here, because it won't take me long to disassemble it. And it shouldn't take me that long to reassemble it, Doug. But we'll get those lights hung up. 4 of them there. That, like I said, that should make plenty of light. So like I said before, that it opened up quite a bit of room in here. Just got to work around the bikes. There's the boys' quad. And then my other boy's bike. That's going to be for sale before long if anybody wants to buy it. Getting him a new one, moving him up to a 250. And then here's my bike. Doug personally told me he didn't know any of that rocket. So I found some video of Doug trying to ride a dirt bike. That didn't go so well, did it? We all know what kind of rocket Doug likes to ride. Let's get you inside the Blazer here for one last look, I suppose. So, yeah, my door panels are done, Doug. Yeah, mine are done, so quit picking on the other man. Anyways, so I don't know if I'm going to change these up really. I might do some cosmetic stuff to it, and I got some cleaning up to do. Let's get you inside here. I don't think I'm going to do a whole lot more with the dash. I think I am going to, this time, I know I've said it before in the past, I am going to try and put in a center console of some sort and put some more gauges and stuff in here. And in my wall, all this is coming out. All the 12s. And I'm not going to exactly say what I'm doing. We'll just let that kind of come out on its own. But I am sticking with 12s, I will say that, but there will be more of them at this point. Don't tell me I can't do it, because I like to prove people wrong. But so yeah, maybe try to find some different seats, something that is a little lower. I don't know, a lot of people with the S10s put Cavalier seats in them. Apparently they bolt right up. I don't know, I've never tried it, never even really looked. But I would like to get a shorter seat for these. And like I said, the doors, they're going to be more cosmetic. If I do anything at all, I don't know yet. But I mean, these have served me well. I might just leave them as it is. I don't know. We'll see. So I haven't had a dose of carbon monoxide poison in a while, so I figured, what the heck? But again, if you haven't watched any of my last videos, this thing is tight in here, guys. I mean, it's tighter than anything Doug would ever get. I mean, that is how much room I have here. And here. That's all the room I have, and it just died. So one thing I probably won't have to mess with is alternators. I thought about taking them off and sending them to Jonathan Patrick to refresh them, but I really don't think there's anything wrong with them. I mean, this thing's probably been, it's been a few weeks since it's ran, and it's sitting here idling at 14.4. So probably not going to mess with the alternators, so that's one less thing I have to work on. I mean, like Doug, he's got one alternator. Who's going to, is that going to work with one? I mean, seriously. But he's probably only going to be running like 600 watts, so he's got nothing to boast about. But yeah, 14.4, the alternators are good. I think we won't even mess with those, maybe. We'll see. If it was moved up like probably a ½ inch, I could get the hatch all the way open, but for those purposes, I don't really need to. But all these amps are 5 years old now, 4 or 5 years old. It's time for them to go. We're gonna go with, hopefully I'm gonna go with the new series of amplifiers from Audiopipe. But this setup's gotta go. I mean, it's old. Look at this. It's, yeah, yeah, powder coat coming off of the amp rack. A little dusty, it's been sitting. But yeah, all new amplifiers. Not new subs necessarily, but there's going to be more subs. I'm not going to say just yet how many more, but all new amplifiers. I'm going to keep my batteries. There's nothing wrong with the Limitless Lithium Cyber series that I'm using. So yeah, so feast your eyes on her. It's going to be the last time you see it like this. Last time you see this wall, it'll be something different. So body wise, I'm not going to change nothing up. It's still pretty good shape as far as the body goes. Now I might change the graphics up or something, the door, or not door graphics, the stuff I got on the windows. I might change those up yet, I don't know. I ain't changing this up, and I already have a body kit on it. Yeah, I don't have to cobble one together. Don't have to worry about that. The only thing I do need to work on is these panels here are pitted real bad. So I've watched a couple things on how people fix these without replacing them, so I might give that a try. But body wise, you know, like I said, besides maybe changing up the graphics, that's really going to be it. Look at that complete, body kit. Have you guys even really looked at Doug's van? I mean, seriously, look at it. He bought the Shaggin' Wagon from Harry and Lloyd, the Mutt Cut van. I mean, he's got, like I said, I don't know, 6 sheets of wood in it and 100 tubes of PLX. What's he going to do with that? He didn't even delete the windows. What are you going to look in? I could look in it. But seriously, I don't even know what to say. I mean, the only hair tricks he's going to be doing with it is blowing all the dog hair in your face that's still in it. I put my bench light in. Let's see what it does. Oh, would you look at that? That's going to help some. Yep. Mm-hmm. Yep. Sure. No, but seriously, that's going to be a lot of extra light that I need here at the bench, other than just that light right there. That'll help us some. At least my bench has light. So yes, this is my official, I am rebuilding video for the Blazer this year. Version 3.0 coming up soon. You know, so I'm officially into Bass Wars. I don't care if you like it or not, Doug. I'm doing it. What you going to do? You're too far away. But anyways, this is all made in good fun. And like I said, if Doug, you don't like it, I don't care. We're doing it anyways. Bass Wars is it. It's on. So thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you next time.